Good morning, class, and welcome to your science class. Today I will going you to remaining part of this chapter. Hope all of you completed your question number 1 and question number 2. Okay? Then start now. Question number 3 in your copy. So everyone open your copy and write now with your pencil. Question number 3. This work is copy work, student. First all of you write now question number 3. According to your book, the question number 3 is name the three properties. How many properties? Three properties of air. This question is asking now only three properties. How many properties? Three properties of air. Okay? This is the question. The answer is the three properties of the air are the three properties of air are. Okay, first point is, tell me, think about it, students. Which type of properties air have? First, all of you right now, it has weight. Okay, it has weight. Then second one is, it has no color. And listen one student, this point, this number, all of you right now, where in your copy? Here is margin line in your copy. Before the margin line, all of you write now this point number. Okay. It has no color, no taste, no smell. Only I am mentioning now it has no color. And third point is, okay, it takes up space. These points all of you done now in your copy. After that, question number 4. Question number 4 is very long question. Question number 4 is, why should you cover your nose and mouth with a handkerchief when you are suffering from cough and cold? So right now everyone, this question, why should you cover your nose and mouth? Both are na? Nose and mouth with a handkerchief when you are suffering from cough and cold. What is the answer? Okay, this is the question. This question is too much long. Why should you cover your nose and mouth with a handkerchief when you are suffering from cough and cold? What is the reason, student? Because you prevent the others. You spreading the germs from others, their surroundings. Yes or no? It means, so everyone right now, this question's answer is this: to prevent the infection from spreading spreading in surroundings. Okay, done. Okay, all of you completed now this answer in your copy, because if you are not take this handkerchief, germs are spreading their surroundings and other peoples are sick. That's why we should cover our nose and mouth with handkerchief. Okay student, then after I am completing now the next question. Question number 5 is, according to your book, the question number 5 is, write any 3 ways to keep the air clean. Question number 5, write any 3 ways, to keep the air clean. This is your question. Okay, what we are doing now to clean the air? Which type of step we are doing now? First step is, we should planting more and more tree. First point is, here is number 1. We should, okay, we should plant more trees, because trees are our friends and they give us oxygen gas, yes or no, and they clean our environment. Second point is, we should use public transport. We should use public transport. Okay students, public transport. Then third point is, factories must be built away. Okay, this word is T. Built away from the cities. Okay, this point hope all of you write now. And your question number 3 to question number 5 is completed now. Your copy work is completed now from this chapter. Okay students. Students, one more thing. Some students is asking about, ma'am, what is the syllabus of UT? I am again tell you. Okay, what is the syllabus of your UT? UT second is going maybe in January first week, second week. So I will give you again your UT syllabus. This is unit test syllabus. Unit test second. Okay. Only 3 chapters are coming in your UT second. Chapter 8. Chapter 8 is safety and first aid now. Safety and first aid. Then chapter 9, air around us. Air around us. And chapter 10 is water for all. Water for all. This chapter 3 is coming in your UT second examination. Okay student, hope their all confusion is clear. Is chapter 8 is completed now. Chapter 9 is also completed now. Chapter 10 I will start from Monday. So everyone read it. Okay students, thanks.